Hey. So, if you're like me, you were told as a kid growing up that you needed to go to school, get your education, go get a job. Because the only thing that you can rely on as an adult is a job to pay your bills, to do everything that you need to do. It all revolves around money. So, you're to go to school, to get your education, and go straight to work. My generation wasn't always told to go to college. That was a if you can afford it thing, or if you wanted to take out a loan for financial aid. Now, I'm not saying that doctors and nurses and lawyers and things like that shouldn't do that. That's fine. If that's what you want to do, you go right ahead. But we were always told, get a job when you get out of school. Get a job, stay at that job. You'll progress up the line. You'll go from whatever position you are. Say you're working at a grocery store. You'll go from a bagger to a cashier to a manager to a general manager to an assistant manager, all the way up to the manager level of the store. Guys, it doesn't work that way anymore. It doesn't. And those people that are in those positions have worked super hard to get to them. And eventually it's going to cap out. Guys, seriously, you have to start thinking of a different source of income. Affiliate marketing is easy. You can do it while you work as a manager at those jobs, while you work at Taco Bell or Wendy's, while you're bagging groceries. You can do it alongside those jobs. But the one thing that you cannot depend on anymore is a 9 to 5. Those are not dependable, long-term, sustainable income. There's a difference between income and long-term, sustainable income. As an affiliate marketer, you can achieve long-term sustainable income while you're on vacation with your family or while you're sitting in a pickup line to pick up your kids. It can be done. But the old way is not the new way. You see, everything's going to phones and laptops, and you're even checking out your own groceries at the grocery store now. Nobody's doing it for you at some places. So that just goes to show that you are replaceable in your place of employment, but you're not replaceable when you work for yourself as an affiliate marketer. Think about that, guys. You are replaceable working a steady job for somebody else other than yourself.